Remove the metal pin. You can push it from the inside. Remove the old drum. Sometimes this drum unit has a shutter to protect the drum. It's not necessary to remove it. Remove the charge roller. Clean the foam roller inside the unit with compressed air or with a toner vacuum. Do not breathe the toner dust. Clean this transparent plastic shaft. Clean the charge roller with water. The charge roller places the initial charge on the drum and erases the residual charge at the end of the print cycle. Reinstall the charge roller. Be careful, the edges of the roller are different. The longest one is on the right. Reinstall the drum. Insert the metal pin. This cartridge has a chip. The chip has to be replaced.